Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make renkon chips. It's lotus root chips. You may think this is healthier than potato chips, but I'm sorry, it's not. Lotus root contains about the same amount of carb with potato, slightly less. So it tastes really good, but try not to eat it too much. This is a snack, so no meal suggestion at the end of the video today. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. Some lotus root, aonori, seaweed flakes, and some salt, all as much as you like. Let's make the lotus root into very thin slices. Cut the ends off. Peel the skin. And into very thin slices using vegetable slicer or knife. Release it in cold water, just plain water. I left it for 3 minutes or so. Now, let's towel dry them. Okay, it's time to fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. And let's put the lotus root. And just fry them until it's nicely browned. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes, and some are looking good. So prepare a large bowl lined with paper towel and take them out. Okay, all fried. Let the paper towel absorb all the excess oil. Remove it. Sprinkle some salt. And our nori seaweed flakes. Toss it. And it's done. Let's try. Itadakimasu. It tastes almost like potato chips, but earthier and crunchier. I can't stop tasting it. It's gonna be perfect for beer. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!